Hi, I'm David from Bond Breaks. Today I'm going to open up 2 boxes of 2021 Immaculate Baseball. All right, let's get into it. Oh, it should open. All right, let's get started. First one is a patch, 2 out of 6. Nick Ahmed. It's a cool patch. Next, this is a really cool patch. It's a 1 of 1. Bob Feller, 1 of 1. Holy cow. That is a really cool one. Hall of Fame pitcher. Next, we have Zach Collins, rookie patch auto. I don't know if it's a rookie, but it's a patch auto. Zach Collins. Number to 10. All right, Dean Kramer. Number to 99. Triple patch auto. Rookie. Another shadow box. Clutch, Barry Larkin. Holy, that's really cool. Number to 25. Cool signature. Next one's really cool. It's on iBlack. Dual auto. We got Jazz Chisholm and Andres Gimenez. That is so cool. Dual patch, and that's numbered to 76. All right, let's get into the next box. Sorry. All right, let's get started. First, Nick Neidert. Pretty cool jumbo jersey. Next is a dual patch. Bryce Harper, dual patch. Number to 49. Next one is Ian Anderson, triple patch. Number to 25, triple patch auto. That's a nice card. Matt Manning, auto, number to 99. Next one, Shogo Akiyama, number to 72. Last one, Brady Singer. Clutch, patch auto, shadow box one. Pretty neat. All right, and that's it. Thanks, I'm David from Bond Breaks.